Hello everyone friends, I'm Bella on the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play Special Forces Ground 2 with your friends. Here's how to play multiplayer. To begin with, here is your nickname. It must be remembered and you need to be added as a friend. To do this, go to multiplayer. Accordingly, my friends. Here is find a friend. That's it. And write accordingly the nickname of your friend. That's the way it is. Here is the ID, it is here again. You just need to copy it and send it to a friend. Then just click. There is also a way to play through one Wi-Fi. Then connect to one Wi-Fi or from one phone, distribute an access point and click play through the router and create a game. If you are far from each other, click online, respectively create a room, select a map, click next. So your card will also have your room will have respectively the numbers that you give to a friend, and he clicks join group and accordingly enters the name there of your group. That's all. You were Baller. Like, subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.